children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes.
Class 7,
Subject Hindi, Grammar Part, Topic Sangya. So children, today we are going to learn about Sangya. It is the main part of your grammar. You all know we have different parts in our grammar, and such we start with the alphabets, then it becomes words, and then it becomes sentences. So up to sentences we might have already completed in Hindi also. Now we are going to learn the first part of our grammar, that is noun. It is the most important part in grammar. We call it as Sangya. In Hindi grammar, noun is called as Sangya. The main purpose of noun is to help structuring a sentence, and it provides the complete information of a person, place or thing. It is an important part of Devanagari script as well as a part of speech. So children, without noun, we can't make up a sentence. A sentence will have either a person, place or a thing. So noun is a very important part of our speech, and it helps in structuring a sentence. What is structuring? Can you tell me, children? Yes, we are making a sentence properly, where we have to use noun and how we have to use noun. That is all which is called as structuring. So it helps in structuring of a sentence, and what it does, it provides a complete information of a person, place or thing. Noun, the word noun, when we use it in sentence, it gives you complete information of a person, place or a thing. We'll see it in Hindi, children. हिंदी व्याकरण में नाउन को संज्ञा भी कहते हैं. In Hindi grammar, we call noun as संज्ञा. संज्ञा वाक्य संरचना में मदद करता है. It helps us to make the sentence. संज्ञा का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान और वस्तु की पूरी जानकारी प्रदान करे. As I told you children, noun helps to give complete information about a person, place or thing. So the definition of noun, we'll see it in English and Hindi. The name of a person, place or thing is called as noun. किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान और वस्तु के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. किसी भी, any, व्यक्ति, person, स्थान, place, वस्तु, thing. So any word which describes a person, place or a thing, we call it as noun. For example, first we'll see the example of name. Ram. Ram is a name, so it's noun. Next we'll see thing. Table, chair. Table we'll call as table only in Hindi also, and kursi. For chair we will call it as kursi. So the thing, what is the thing over here? Table and kursi. That is also noun, children. And you can see the next example for place, that is Delhi or Bangalore. Anything can be. So all the places are noun only. If we are giving the name of any place, it is known as noun. Okay, children. And if we will write anyone's name, it can be Ram, Mohan or Geeta or Sita, whatever it is. If we are writing the name of a person, then it is noun. And if we are mentioning some things, it can be table, chair, pen, pencil, glass or anything, that all things are known as noun. So we'll see that in example now. We'll create sentences with the example what I have told just now. Ram. First thing what we read was name, right children? Yes, it was name and it was Ram. So we'll make a sentence with Ram. Ram अच्छा लड़का है. Ram अच्छा लड़का है. Ram is a good boy. So here children, can you tell me which is noun? In this sentence, can you tell me which one is noun? Yes, it's Ram. Ram is a good boy. So Ram is the noun in this sentence. Very good children. Second sentence, let us see. Table नया है. Table नया है. Can you tell me children in this which word is noun for you all? I'll give you some time. Just think which is noun. We have already seen the word in example. It is a thing. Yes, it is table. Table नया है. In this sentence, table is the noun. Third one children. दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. Delhi is the capital of India. So, in this sentence, it's noun which is a place. Right children? Can you tell me? Can you mention the place here? Yes, it's Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, so here Delhi is the noun which is the name of a place. Okay children, so in first sentence, Ram अच्छा लड़का है. Ram is the noun because it is name of a person. In the second sentence, table नया है. Table is noun because it is a thing. In third example children, दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. Here Delhi or Delhi, it is the noun because it is the name of a place. So we have seen all the three examples, name, thing and place over here. Right children? So all the words which are used in a sentence as a name, person, place or thing, etc. all comes under the classification of noun. Okay children? In any sentence, if you are using the name of a person, place or anything, it comes under the classification of noun. We will call it as a noun. संज्ञा के अंतर्गत वह शब्द आता है जो किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान या वस्तु के रूप में वाक्यों में प्रयोग किया जाता है. सभी शब्द संज्ञा के वर्गीकरण के अंदर आता है. So all it comes under the classification of noun, whether it's name of a place, a thing or name of a person. It comes under the classification of noun. Already we have seen examples children. Now we are going to write a small exercise. Here I have given you some sentence. Please find the noun in this sentence and mark and send me after the session gets over. Do the exercises children and please send me as soon as your session gets over. Here the answers I have not marked it. You have to mark the answers. I have given you some sentences. Please mark the noun in these sentences and send to me. Thank you, children.